Hi, good afternoon guys. Now is October 26, 2023. Good afternoon guys, especially to my co-members sa group ko, mga Koi Lovers Philippines. I'm here again now guys in my koi fish pond. And I will show you my two koi fishes. Two red steps. Two red steps koi and two red steps koi also. That guys. Comment me guys if you like my video, if you like my koi, please comment me guys. Especially to my co-groups, Koi Lovers Philippines. Good afternoon guys, and once again guys, an early Merry Christmas to all. Okay guys, ito pala mga itong isa female to, two red steps ko ako. Female to siya guys, female to. Ang measurement niya ay mga 16 inches or 17 inches. Tapos ito male to guys, two red steps ko ako din, mga 15 inches pa to, maliit pa to, pero 3 years old na sila noong October 23 guys. Ang edad nila ngayon ay 3 years old and 3 days. Yan ang mga koi fishes ko guys. So see you with my next vlog guys. Bye bye guys. Good afternoon guys. Bye bye. Ito ang garden namin guys, indoor garden. Sa loob ng bahay namin guys, may maliit kami na garden. Sa labas ng bahay namin guys, may malaki kaming garden doon sa labas. Ito sa loob to namin, indoor garden to namin guys. Pinawilding namin ng metal at fins. Baka may makapasok na mga strangers guys. Oh. May fins siya guys para walang strangers na makapasok. Pero kahit may fins na sa labas guys, nilagyan namin ng mga pots sa labas. 8 pots. 1 pot, 2 pot, third pot, fourth pot, at saka 5th pot, 6th pot, 7th pot, 8th pot. At saka kahit garden to siya guys, sampayan din to namin. Na even though guys na hindi siya matatamaan ng full heat of the sun, ang sinasampay namin dito, madadry din siya at the long hours. Cause ang hangin dito guys, in at saka out, in at saka out, in at saka out, labas pasok ang hangin dito. So madadry din ang mga damit namin na sinasampay namin dito. So garden to siya guys at sampayan din to siya guys. Good afternoon guys. Bye bye guys. Yan ang itsura namin dito sa loob. Ito ang loob sa bahay namin. Ito ang indoor garden namin guys. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Bye-bye. See you with my next vlog.